School backpack conversation. Two girls talking about school.
Aisha, hi Sarah. I'm so happy to see you today. It feels like ages since we last talked properly.
Sarah, hi Aisha. I know, right? School has kept us so busy. How have you been?
Aisha, I've been fine, but honestly, life is becoming more stressful day by day.
Sarah, I feel the same. There are tests, homework, projects, and exams all the time. Sometimes I feel very tired.
Aisha, exactly. Which class are you studying in now?
Sarah, I'm in grade 9. This year feels more difficult than last year. What about you?
Aisha, I'm in grade 10. We have board exam pressure, so teachers are very serious now.
Sarah, oh yes, I've heard grade 10 is very tough. Are your teachers helpful?
Aisha, some teachers are very supportive and explain everything clearly, but a few are very strict.
Sarah, that's true. My English teacher is very kind. She always encourages us to speak in English.
Aisha, that's wonderful. I also want to improve my English speaking skills.
Sarah, English is important for our future. Which subject do you like the most?
Aisha, I like biology and English, but I really struggle with mathematics.
Sarah, you're not alone. Math is difficult for me too. Do you take extra classes?
Aisha, yes, I take math tuition in the evening. It helps me understand better.
Sarah, that's good. I study at home, but sometimes I lose concentration.
Aisha, same here. Mobile phones and social media are big distractions.
Sarah, true. Our parents always tell us to focus on studies.
Aisha, they are right. School life is important for building our future.
Sarah, do you participate in school activities?
Aisha, yes, I recently participated in a debate competition.
Sarah, that's amazing. How did it go?
Aisha, I was very nervous, but once I started speaking, I felt confident.
Sarah, that's great. I like taking part in sports activities.
Aisha, sports are good for health and teamwork.
Sarah, yes, our school encourages both studies and extracurricular activities.
Aisha, do you have many friends at school?
Sarah, yes, I have a few close friends. They make school life enjoyable.
Aisha, same here. Friends help us during difficult times.
Sarah, what are your plans after school?
Aisha, I want to become a doctor. What about you?
Sarah, I want to become an English teacher.
Aisha, that's a great goal. Teachers shape the future.
Sarah, school teaches us discipline, responsibility, and confidence.
Aisha, even though school life is stressful, it's also full of memories.
Sarah, yes, we will remember these days forever.
Aisha, let's study hard and support each other.
Sarah, absolutely. Together, we can achieve our dreams.
Aisha, bye.
Sarah, bye.